In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Google Keep notes. Google Keep is a fantastic tool for jotting down notes, making lists, and keeping track of tasks. However, while it has many great features, it doesn't provide a straightforward way to lock notes with a password. But don't worry, there are some practical steps you can take to keep your notes more secure, which involves archiving them. Let's go through the process together. First, navigate to your Google apps. If you're using a desktop, you can do this by clicking on the grid icon in the upper right corner of your Google homepage. This little grid is your gateway to all the fantastic tools Google provides. Among the various options available to you, you'll need to locate Google Keep. It should be listed among your other apps, but if you have trouble finding it, you can always use the search function by typing Google Keep into your browser search bar. Once you have Google Keep opened, you'll want to identify which notes you'd like to secure. Look through your list of notes and decide which ones contain information you'd prefer to keep more private. Clicking on a note will open it, allowing you to see its contents clearly and decide if it's something you wish to archive. With your note selected, locate the archive icon. It usually looks like a small box with a downward arrow and can be found in the menu options within the note itself. Clicking this icon will move the note to your archive, effectively hiding it from your main list of notes. This step is helpful as it removes the note from immediate view, thus adding a basic level of security by keeping it out of your typical note workflow. Your note is now securely archived. To view your archived notes, you simply need to click on the Archive section, which is located within Google Keep's main navigation menu on the left-hand side. Click on this option and you'll see all the notes you've previously archived, stored away from your primary note-taking space. It is important to understand that Google Keep doesn't support password protection or encryption for individual notes, meaning archiving them is the best way to conceal and lock notes indirectly. While this method won't provide the highest level of security, it helps keep notes out of sight from casual prying eyes. In conclusion, by leveraging the archive feature, you can create a more private and organized note library within Google Keep. Hopefully, Google will add more security features in the future, but for now, this workaround is